Hey, guess it's been a while since I've shown you the apartment. I've got a new guest come in today, so I just thought I'd give you a quick update. We've got a new front door. I'll show you. Nice and simple. Very solid, better than the last door. And you can lock it like this. Very easy. Bathroom, still the same. I've just added a piece of glass over here so that the water doesn't splash out. And we've also got this ventilation fan up over there. What else? Bedroom cupboards. We now have 2 mirrors in the cupboard. So that's nice when you are getting dressed. Okay. And in the cupboard over here, we now have an iron and an ironing board and a fan, heater, as well. And then the most exciting upgrade would be this, which is the fan to keep you cool in summer, operational via this remote, so you can just turn it on. There we go. It's got 6 speeds, and this should keep you cool in summer when you're sleeping. And what else? We've got another fan. I had that one at home, so we've got 2 fans. We've got some more books over here. We've got the blankets over there now. And yeah, that's it. Looking good. So I'll see you in summer.